To cope with these and other matters, such as the rating of the railway by public bodies, a staff of fully qualified solicitors is employed by each company, full stop. The very important and complicated work of the equitable division of receipts for the carriage of passengers and goods demurrage on wagons, etc., is performed at the railway clearing house, full stop. Long distance passenger trains may have sleeping saloons and dining cars, and many companies have discontinued second class compartments on all trains, full stop. Nearly all passenger trains have a passenger brake van for passengers, luggage and merchandise, and perishables for quick transit, full stop, close.